Remodeling your bathroom with a new shower enclosure. A shower enclosure serves the practical purpose of keeping water inside where it belongs. This part of your bathroom remodeling plan also gives you a chance to get creative and create the perfect space to induce a feeling of relaxation and calm. Exploring your options for a new shower enclosure gives you a head start on making your vision for a bathroom come to life. Get custom-fit glass for any configuration. Major bathroom remodels may include moving the plumbing around or adding features such as benches to the shower. When this is part of your plans, your former shower design may no longer work. Our installation team can take a look at your new bathroom layout to create an enclosure design that works with the space. Do you need glass cut to fit a half wall? Or, do you need the shower walls extended to replace the space where the bathtub used to be? If so, then custom-fit enclosures add glass to any area. Customized enclosures can be made in any shape that you need. Rounded and angular designs add to the beauty of your bathroom. Working with an expert installer means that you can feel confident that the enclosure fits the space and is sealed perfectly. Check out your framing options. Framed enclosures allow you to select from a variety of different finishes to enhance the overall bathroom design. Shiny silver and gold adds an elegant touch when it matches the plumbing fixtures. You can also choose from brushed metal or bronze depending upon your preferences. Frameless enclosures are becoming increasingly popular. With the right hardware, a frameless enclosure is just as sturdy as framed styles. You might prefer a frameless enclosure to create a seamless look that works great with a modern decorating scheme. Add to the ambiance with the perfect glass style. The glass on any enclosure is the main focal point. Shower glass can be clear or opaque depending upon your preferences for privacy. Clear glass is often the go-to choice if you've chosen to go all out with beautiful tile or stonework, since it provides a complete view of the interior of the shower. Obscure glass can just be frosted, or you can choose a pattern that fits the decorating scheme. Rain, reed and bamboo glass patterns all blur the view into the shower while making the space feel more like a relaxing oasis. Choose from the latest trends in door designs. Shower doors enhance the appearance of the enclosure while providing a convenient way to access the area. Traditional hinged doors are still an option, but you might prefer a sliding one to make the shower more accessible. Barn-style doors are a big trend in shower design right now. These give you the same space-saving benefits of a sliding door. They slide at the top, which can eliminate the need to clean a lower track. Planning for a new shower enclosure starts with a consultation that shows you all of your options. We'll walk you through each step of the process to make sure that no stone is left unturned. Once you give the go-ahead, our installation process is quick and simple. In most cases, you can look forward to seeing this essential phase of your remodeling plan completed with a few days to a week. Raben Glass has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed.